Stand-up India scheme, objective, to facilitate loans from scheduled commercial banks SCBs 10 lakh and to at least one scheduled caste SC or scheduled tribe street borrower, Rs. 0.1 crore and one woman borrower per bank branch for setting up a greenfield enterprise in agri-allied, manufacturing, services or activities business sector. Eligibility: SC Saint and or women entrepreneurs of 18 years or above age. In case of non-individual enterprises, at least 51% of the shareholding and controlling stake should be held by either SC Saint or women entrepreneur. Greenfield project only first-time venture. The borrower should not be a defaulter to any bank financial institution. The borrower will be required to bring at least 10% of the project cost as own contribution. The government does not allocate funds for loans under the Stand-up India scheme. Loans under the scheme are given by all branches of scheduled commercial banks as per the commercial parameters, board-approved policies of the respective banks and extant guidelines of RBI. The loan can be repaid in 7 years, with a maximum moratorium period of 18 months. The offices of SIDBI and NABARD have been designated as Stand-up Connect centers to arrange necessary support. SIDBI is a refinance agency. It also provides for the creation of a credit guarantee mechanism through the National Credit Guarantee Trustee Company (NCGTC). Recent changes: the scheme has been extended till the year 2025. Activities related to agriculture are included in the scheme.